ChatGPT. It is a general-purpose AI chatbot developed by OpenAI, designed to understand and generate human-like text across a wide range of topics. It comes from a family of models trained on large amounts of data to assist with learning, writing, coding, and everyday questions. What makes it stand out is its balance between clarity, flexibility, and step-by-step reasoning, which is why it is widely used in education and productivity. Gemini AI. It is an AI chatbot created by Google, built to work closely with the Google ecosystem. It draws strength from its connection to search, allowing it to handle up-to-date information and integrate with tools like Docs and Gmail. Its design focuses on combining real-time knowledge with conversational ability. Claude AI. It is an advanced, safe, and steerable AI assistant in a family from a large language models, developed by Anthropic. Designed for tasks like natural conversation, coding, reasoning, and document analysis. As of early 2026, Claude has experienced explosive growth, becoming a top-tier competitor in the AI market. Grok AI. It's an AI assistant developed by xAI designed to be witty and direct. It is a versatile chatbot and language model capable of analyzing text and images, coding, and processing live data from the X platform. Microsoft Copilot. It's an AI-powered digital companion developed by Microsoft, designed to boost productivity by generating text, code, and images, as well as summarizing information, and also designed to work inside tools like Word, Excel, and Windows. Perplexity AI. It is a search assistant developed by Perplexity AI, focused on answering questions with cited sources, instead of only generating responses. Meta AI. It is an AI assistant created by Meta, integrated into platforms like Instagram and WhatsApp. It is designed to fit naturally into social and messaging environments, helping users interact with AI while chatting or browsing content. Character AI. It is a chatbot that focuses on personality-driven conversations, which users can interact with AI characters designed to mimic specific speaking styles or fictional identities. Replika. It is an AI chatbot created by Luca Inc., designed to act as a personal companion. It learns from conversations to build a sense of familiarity over time. Its purpose is more emotional and conversational, offering users a space to talk. Jasper AI. It is an AI chatbot, focused mainly on content creation for businesses. It helps generate marketing copy, blog posts, and advertising text with a strong emphasis on branding and tone.